The median list price for homes for sale in Annapolis is $720,000. It's Friday, November 21st, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Inventory fell 3.4% to 207 units, further limiting selection for buyers. 9 homes are coming soon at a median $735,000 list price. 28 homes went under contract in 21 days and holding at a median $519,500. 24 homes sold for 97% list to sold ratio in 16 days, with a median sold price of $745,000. Inventory for Annapolis rentals remains fairly consistent at 67 for lease and a median $2,800 per month rental fee. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, November 21st, 2025. There will be no market update videos next Friday, and I invite you to enjoy your Thanksgiving holiday. May you be blessed with much abundance in the health to enjoy it. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you in December. Take care.